In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search cards quickly on Trello. If you've ever found yourself sifting through numerous cards, trying to find the one you need, you'll appreciate these straightforward and efficient steps to make the process much easier and faster. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Trello board where all your cards are organized. This is the digital space where your projects, tasks, and ideas come together. Go ahead and open the Trello board. It's typically just a click away when you log into your Trello account. This step is crucial because it's where you'll be conducting your search. Once you're on the board, you'll notice there's a search bar usually located at the top of the page. This search tool is integral to quickly finding your cards. It's a versatile feature designed to save you time and help streamline your workflow. Utilize the search bar by clicking into it. This action will activate the search functionality, allowing you to begin typing whatever you need to find. The next step is to type the card name or any related keywords that you recall. The search bar is quite intelligent. Even if you don't remember the full name, entering a keyword will often lead you to the correct card. This feature makes it easier to track down specific tasks or projects without having to scour through different lists or cards manually. Now, here's a handy tip for those of you who frequently collaborate with others or have many cards assigned to you. Simply type @me into the search bar. This command is tailored to retrieve all cards that are specifically assigned to you. It's a fantastic shortcut for personal organization and helps keep your responsibilities front and center. There you have it. An easy, quick way to search for cards on your Trello board. By leveraging these simple yet effective steps, you can significantly cut down the time spent searching, allowing you to focus more on productivity and less on navigation. Remember, staying organized is all about utilizing the tools at your disposal efficiently. Trello's search functionality is one such tool, offering a streamlined way to ensure you can always find what you're looking for exactly when you need it. So, next time you're stuck looking for a specific card, remember these tips, and you'll be navigating Trello like a pro in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you now feel more equipped to handle your digital workspace efficiently. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found the tips helpful, and subscribe for more insights and tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing.